Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Shane, the Rise and Grind Picker, and welcome back to another video. Please subscribe and also hit that bell for notifications. This video is all about really how to increase your sales, and there's one thing that I do that I tell you, and I will promise you it will increase your sales. On some days it can double my sales, and most people will say that this probably will not work, and I've tested it time and time again, and this hack does actually increase your eBay sales. Now, there's different ways to rank on eBay. There's promoted listings, there's advanced pay-per-click now, and obviously the more you list, the more your items are going to get pushed towards the top. But I like to leverage promoted listings to actually help me kind of get more views on my items. Now, I do not do the pay-per-click because I've tried it and I don't think it works very well. I tend to do just a regular promoted listings. As eBay sellers, we hate having to pay more fees to eBay, but in all reality, if you could sell an extra $3,400 for an extra $300 in fees, would you do it? Now, comment down below if you would do $3,400 in sales for an extra $300 in fees, and let me know what you think, because my last promoted listing campaign ran for 2.5 weeks. And it gave me $3,400, I think, in sales. And I ended up paying $340 in fees. So that was my last actual campaign. I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my promoted listing campaigns. And I'm doing it because I can't keep this secret. I really debated on doing this video because I know that it's going to spark interest. And then when everybody starts doing it, keep in mind, I really hope, I want to share this to help people, but on the other end, it makes me a little nervous. And I know, like, my video is not going to sway the entire market. So, I'm just going to put the video out in hopes this doesn't get me totally hated on. I currently got some really cool stuff that I'm listing today. And I got some really old racing, Indianapolis racing programs. Some really cool Ertl stuff, some old Ertl wagons, and believe it or not, these are really cool, and these are the Farm Progress Show editions. I've sold several of these for in the $20 to $34 range. It's crazy what stuff can go for, but it's a little bit of what I'm listing. I just had to stop. I wanted to stop listing to shoot this video because I really want people. I want people to succeed overall. And, if I think this could help people, like, I'm gonna put it out there, No matter if you're a full-time seller or part-time seller, here's the thing, is we all want to increase our sales. And some people, there's two types of sellers. Some part-time people who just want to make some extra money as a side hustle. Full-time people like myself who our primary income is selling online or e-commerce or just in general eBay. I sell on a couple different platforms, but mainly eBay, and I'm a 6-figure professional seller. But people like me are really looking to kind of any little way to maybe we can squeeze out some extra money towards the end of the week, because cash flow is actually king in this business. Most importantly, we've fallen on some pretty hard times, and our economy is going into a recession. So less money is being spent, and overall, online shopping, actually overall, retail in general, 20% a decrease overall. So now more than ever, we need to, as eBay sellers and business owners, put ourselves into position to be trying to do more volume, and potentially we have to get more eyes on our products. And I hate cross-listing, so this is why promoted listings actually works way better for me. So I'm walking out of my eBay warehouse into the downtown area of my little town here, and before I get into showing you this really awesome hack about how to increase your sales, I got a really cool story to share. I actually had to work security. The city, or the Heritage Fund Foundation, asked me to donate 2 days of my time to work security for Tyler Farr and the Trapped concert that we had here for the Heritage Days Festival. And as I was working in security, I want to shout out to one of my subscribers, Scott. He recognized me. I do change my appearances a lot, and he is from my local area, and he recognized me, and we talked for about 40 minutes. And he used to own a bunch of pawn shops, and so yeah, we might be doing some business together. And I just want to shout out, I had a really good conversation, and thank you for telling me who you were. All right, so check this out. I'm sitting down and I'm going to do this with you, and so just watch me. I'm not going to share my screen. I'm just going to film this camera, which is my GoPro, on the screen. So I'm going to get it as close as possible so you can get a clear photo in this video. But this is how I boost my sales, and I can usually pull off of almost doubling my sales. Sometimes it just depends on how many listings you have by using this method. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, you want to go under your selling tools, under your My eBay, and go to promoted listings right here. Once you're at the promoted listings page, when you go to the promoted listings tab, it's going to take you to either this page where it says choose your campaign type, or it's going to tell you you have current campaigns running. If you have current campaigns running, you go ahead and you end those and delete them. Make sure they're fully deleted, and then get to this page. And after you delete a promoted listing, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So take a break, and I'm going to show you the next step into increasing your sales. Okay. So there are different types of campaigns that you want to choose for promoted listings. But promoted listings, yes, this is another promoted listings video, but I'm going to cut the crap and tell you exactly what you need to do, because anyone else putting a video out on this, I've tested this, and I've actually been using promoted listings since they came out first, like when they first came out, and I've been testing this from way back in the day. Ending and restarting your promoted listings 100% works, but I'm going to show you how I start mine up, because I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. So this is the advanced, and I honestly, this is the this is the pay-per-click. I don't want to use this unless I have a crap ton of one item. If I had like a couple hundred of one item, then I might use this, but no, I'm going to go to the standard. And you can do simple, bulk, or automated. And I use automated. And I'm going to create the campaign for automated. Now, you can use the simple and bulk. They work the same way. But the reason I use the automated is because any new item that I list, it automatically puts it in this campaign for me. And I don't have to do anything else. This is why I use that. So I'm going to go here, and I have 4,854 items. So I want to make sure they're all in there. Yep, that's okay. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go to automate suggested ad rates. I'm not going to do 25%. I run most of mine at anywhere from 8 to... actually, I run most of mine anywhere from about 5 to 7%. So, like, I'll do 7. And then I do adjust suggested ad rate 3%. So what this is it, or no, I do 2%. So what this is it sets the percentage that you are willing to pay below or above, which means if the category you listed in has a 4% ad rate cap, then this would adjust 2% below that. That would give you a cheaper ad rate, because you would still be paying higher, but you'd be paying at the top end of the ad rate of the 4% instead of the 7%. So this is how I set that up. And this is how I set my ad rates, just like this. Sometimes I adjust this by, sometimes I'll do 4%, sometimes I'll do 6%, sometimes I'll do 7 or 8, 9%. It just depends on like how much I want to give away percentage-wise overall, extra on my items, because when it sells through this, you're going to be paying, that extra percent. Now, basically, I'm just going to hit launch, and after I launched the campaign, it just says automated, and it's active, and it's going to say continuous, and then eventually you're going to see all your listings right here where this big red 0 is. That's just because I went ahead and launched it. It just launched. Just remember to only promote at what you want to give away, because what's going to happen is, since you're picking like 2% above or below, you could be paying 2% below what you choose, but you only want to choose what you want to give away, and everybody has different margins in this business. I don't know your margins, so you're going to have to decide for yourself what you want to do for promoting your items. I'm going to tell you this, that when you do promote your items, eBay does promote them on Facebook. They promote them on Instagram. They promote them on Snapchat. They promote them on those places. So just remember, it's not just going to be promoted on eBay. And I think promoted listings are very important. And if you're not promoting your listings, it is kind of a pay to play arena, for sure, but eBay's also trying to give you the best chance to get your items seen more. And I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for even better content coming up. Don't forget to watch some previous videos. Click here or subscribe here. See you on the next one.